haulage industry faces many challenges in the 21st century, with an increasingly competitive economy and a greater awareness of our responsibility to the environment. Our answer to these challenges? The Denby Eco-Link trailer. The Denby Eco-Link trailer enables goods to be moved more efficiently in larger quantities using fewer vehicles, delivering not only environmental savings but also economic savings, and without compromise on maneuverability. Conceived in Lincolnshire and built in Belfast with components from the Netherlands, Sweden, Germany and France, the Denby Eco-Link trailer was created to meet the 21st century's demands on the haulage industry and designed specifically to meet current EU requirements for vehicle manoeuvrability. Two Denby Eco-Link trailers, each with a load space of 21.42 metres, have the equivalent haulage capacity of 3 standard trailer vehicles. The Denby Eco-Link vehicle boasts impressive manoeuvrability. But how is this achieved on a vehicle of this size? The answer lies in the vehicle's command steer system, which allows it to tackle the most stringent of current requirements. Here, the Eco-Link trailer tackles with ease the EU standard turning circle set down for today's shorter vehicles. This means that the Eco-Link is currently the only 25.25 metre LHV that meets these requirements.
The turning circle is the normal standard turning circle that all vehicles have to comply with. There's an inner circle of 5.3 and an outer circle of 12.5, and lorries have to be able to go around it without crossing the white lines. And as you can see, this vehicle does comply with these regulations.
The Slalom Test, in which cones are placed 14 metres apart on a track 18.5 metres wide, further demonstrates the remarkable manoeuvrability of this vehicle. The Eco-Link trailer's command steer system is responsible for the vehicle's astonishing manoeuvrability. And it is this system that gives the Eco-Link a much wider application on a larger network of roads than is currently accessible by today's LHVs. Trials at Myra, conducted by BTAC, demonstrated that the Eco-Link, with 8 axles, has superior braking performance compared to the 37,000 maximum size articulated vehicles on UK highways today. And for added safety, the driver has CCTV surveillance that eliminates any blind spot.
The cameras are basically positioned one on each corner at the top of the trailer. So basically you can see if the cyclists, things like that, that's in a danger zone, so they are very handy.
How can we reduce congestion on our roads whilst improving productivity and efficiency? The Denby Eco-Link trailer provides a new approach to these challenges. Not only could it help to cut the number of vehicles needed to move goods, but it could also help to aid congestion by reducing the amount of road space required to transport those goods. 47 Eco-Link vehicles can transport the same amount of goods as 74 standard vehicles. This means that in a convoy they would reduce the road space occupied by 1/4 whilst maintaining the same load. Productivity and efficiency are not the only benefits. Road safety is also enhanced. Trials in the Netherlands, where such vehicles are already in use, have shown that the introduction of these vehicles will save between 5 to 7 lives per annum. As understanding of our responsibilities to the environment grows, how can we address this challenge whilst maintaining competitive business? The Eco-Link trailer can make significant and valuable contributions to reducing our fossil fuel consumption. Depending on the load carried, 2 Eco-Link vehicles will save between 8 and 15.7% on diesel oil consumption compared with that used by 3 standard vehicles carrying the same load, and therefore will cut carbon emissions by exactly the same amount. In addition, the flexibility of the vehicle allows it to split at a point outside its destination to make a more effective trip to inner cities or even to dispense with the extra trailer for smaller loads. Costing so little extra, the Eco-Link handsomely repays investment, with its savings on diesel oil and the increase in efficiency, meaning savings across the board. Our capacity to deliver is maintained, but with a smaller, more capable fleet of vehicles, meaning substantially lower running and maintenance costs. Offering greater maneuverability with its command steer system, the Denby Eco-Link trailer is our contribution to the challenges facing our industry, delivering increased capacity on a larger network with greater efficiency whilst maintaining our environmental responsibilities.